Hello friends, myself B Shalini. Today I am going to discuss about what are catechin and epicatechin and what are their antioxidant properties. So, first are what are catechin and epicatechin. Catechin and epicatechins are type of flavonols that have two chiral centers on carbon 2 and carbon 3 having four possible diastereomers. Catechin is isomer with trans configuration and epicatechin is isomer with cis configuration. Each has two stereomers, that is positive and negative catechins, and another is positive and negative epicatechin. Coming to the structure of catechin, so the leftmost upper structure is the catechin. It is a flavin 3-ol. It is a type of natural phenol and antioxidant. It is a plant secondary metabolite and belong to group of flavin 3-ols, that is they are a part of family of flavonoids. It contains two benzene rings and a dihydropyran heterocycle with hydroxyl groups on carbon 3, and the upper rightmost structure is that of epicatechin. Coming to their natural occurrences, positive catechin and negative epicatechin are ubiquitous constituents of vascular plants. They are frequent components of traditional herbal remedies like Uncaria rhincophylla. They are also found in cocoa and tea constituents. In food, the main dietary source of catechin are tea and pome fruits. They are highly present in prune juice and broad bean pod. They are also found in peaches, green tea, vinegar, and barley grains. Coming to the sources of catechin, they are found in strawberries, apricots, black grapes, red wine, broad beans, and green tea. And coming to the sources of epicatechin, they are found in apples, chocolate, raspberries, cherries, blackberries, and pears. Now, what are the function of catechin and epicatechin? So the first function is they improves the brain function, then they decrease fat loss, protect against cancer, they lower the risk of heart diseases. They provides health benefits of green tea. Mainly catechin is present in green tea. So we will study about the functions and how this green tea provides beneficial functions to our body. First is they contain healthy bioactive compounds known as biophenols, which reduce the inflammation and help to fight against the cancer. The catechins are present in green tea, which is known as epigallocatechin 3-gallate, which is also known as EGCG. They prevent cell damage and they also decrease free radical formation in body. Second function of green tea is they improve brain function. That is, the caffeine affects brain by blocking and inhibiting neurotransmitter adenosine and increases the concentration of neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. Coming to the third function of green tea, they increase fat burning and increase metabolic rate. Green tea and caffeine, they increase physical performance and metabolize fatty acids from fat tissue and make them available to use as energy. Fourth function of green tea is they lower the risk of some cancers. Antioxidants help protect against oxidative damage. So the green tea is an excellent source of antioxidant. They reduce breast cancer, then prostate cancer and colorectal cancer. Fifth function of green tea is they protect brain from aging. Green tea provide improve brain function in short terms and protect brain as we age. There are two types of diseases like Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a neurodegenerative disease which is the cause of dementia in old people, and another is Parkinson's disease which cause the death of dopamine producing neurons in brain. Catechins present in green tea protect the brain and neurons from these two diseases. Sixth function of green tea is they reduce bad breath. Catechin suppresses the growth of bacteria inside the mouth, which causes the cavity then to decay and plague. Seventh function of green tea is they prevent type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes includes increased blood sugar levels caused by inability to produce insulin. So the green tea decreases blood sugar levels. Eighth function of green tea is they help prevent cardiovascular diseases. Green tea improve total cholesterol and LDL levels, and they also increase antioxidant capacity in blood and protect LDL particles from oxidation. As a result, they decrease cardio diseases. And the last function is they help lose weight. They decrease the body fats and increase metabolic rate, and they decrease the belly fat. As a conclusion, we can say that the green tea has many benefits, so including they fight against allergies, they reduces body fat, they improve skin health, and they keeps blood sugar levels in check, and they improves memory and fight of depression. So these are the benefits of green tea. Now coming to the functions of catechin and epicatechin. There are many functions of catechins and epicatechins, like these protect against UV radiations. Then they have many effects like antimicrobial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, anti-allergic, anti-canceric efforts. Then the third function is they increase penetration and absorption of healthy functional foods and biocosmetics into the skin. And fourth one is they decrease skin damage, and fifth one is the tea catechins are used in medical, cosmetic and pharmaceutical products. Now the first function of catechin and epicatechin is their antioxidant activity. So in this they increase the rate of absorption into human body. Catechin can exert direct antioxidant effects by reacting with free radicals to disrupt free radical chain reaction and chelating redox active metals. Then the second function is antimicrobial activity. Green tea extracts decrease the growth of certain bacteria in saliva and decreases dental plaques in mouth. They have natural antimicrobial properties of catechin, which are used to produce functional cosmetics. Now the third function of catechin and epicatechin is UV protection activity. Catechin increases photostability and skin production from UV rays. They prevent skin aging and inhibit UVB induced skin damage. And at last, they increase permeation of skin and has anti-aging effects. Fourth function is anti-allergic and anti-inflammatory activities. Catechin has an inhibiting activity on histamine release from mast cells. The common anti-allergenic component of T catechin is GCG. Fifth function of catechin and epicatechin are antiviral and anti-cancer activities. Green tea catechins has anti-influenza viral activity on measles, AIDS, chickenpox, SARS and other viral diseases. Sixth function is activation of skin barrier passage. Skin microporation with the help of maltose microneedles facilitate EGCG penetration into deeper skin. Then the seventh function is promotion of cell activity. Green tea or black tea has anti-melanogenic activity, that is, they decrease the secretion and production of melanin in humans, and EGCG derivative increases the cell proliferation activity. Eighth function of catechin and epicatechin is sludge utilization. In this, tannin is an extract of solid waste in chestnut activity. So this tannin can be used as an antioxidant for cosmetic, food and pharmaceutical industries. Another example is coffee grounds. They can be also used in cosmetic and pharmacies. These coffee grounds contain methyl anthines and phenols in it. The last example is fruit seeds and pulp also has antioxidant properties. The ninth function of catechin and epicatechin are they provide stability. Flavonoids, alkaloids and phenolic acids present in the green tea provide stability to our body. The 10th function is in tissue biopsy culture model preparation. 11th function is safety for human application, that is, before using these catechin and epicatechin containing products, we have to ensure their safety. That means we have to check whether they have any side effects on our body or not before applying them on our skin or on any other body parts. The 12th function is antioxidant properties used for other application. That means the catechin and epicatechin containing compounds also has other functions on our body, like they increase the rate of hair dyeing process, which means catechin as antioxidant is used in hair dyeing process. And the second function is food packaging materials also contain antioxidants. They can be used to decrease the oxidation of food, cosmetics, and pharmaceutical products. So, in a summary, today we have discussed about what are catechin and epicatechin, what are their sources, and what are their properties, and what are their functions, and how they help to fight against many diseases like cancers, inflammations, and other skin diseases, etc. So I hope you have understood it. Thank you.